Good morning and welcome to our assembly. As promised, this is an assembly based on celebrating success. So we have a whole host of commendations to hand out this morning, your name up in lights, and I have to say I am mightily impressed by all the work that is being done, all the effort that is going in right across the school. So I guess to start with, I want to say well done to you all. Now, I can't give a commendation out to everyone all the time. We gave some out last week, and I have some more names for you this morning. And then don't forget, of course, that we have our prize givings on Friday, when there will be more goodies on their way. So, same drill as before. I will read out the names, first names only and year group, and then we will happily post all the commendations off to you so you can get them and put them on the wall or the fridge or wherever you like to keep such things. So without further ado, and we're going to start with preschool, so I hope you're all listening. Preschool commendations go to Rishi, Alec, Elijah and Daniel, all for working really hard and setting a very high standard. So very well done to all of you. We also have a commendation in preschool for Sarim for a fantastic video on hand washing, that all important hand washing at this moment in time. In reception, we have commendations for Teddy, for Ibrahim, and for Sahil. Teddy, yours is for creative writing. Ibrahim, also some fantastic descriptive words, beautiful writing about a rainbow, so well done to you. And Sahil, your commendation is for maths and solving lots of number problems. I've got a few of those of my own at this moment in time, so I might well be coming to you for some help. In year one, Nervan, you get a commendation for your poster and facts on Charles Darwin, well done. Aman, a commendation for art. Kian, fantastic, this is to see academic resilience and focus. So I hope you'll like that all the time, Kian. Well done to you. And Isa, you get a commendation for maths. In year two, Feroz, you get a commendation. Etan, you get a commendation. And Isa, you get a commendation also. So very well done, boys. In year three, Akbar, commendation for maths. Thomas B, a commendation for maths. Shay for art. And Thomas T for art. In year four, Zachariah, you get a commendation for English. And for our oldest boys in year five, 3 commendations in year 5 for English. Well done to all of you. Jensen, Ishmael K and Hassanain for your work on The Boss. And in year 6, Alfie, you get a commendation for art. Austin for English. Sam for art. And Nihal for art. Jawad, you get a commendation for your app. Fantastic piece of work I've been seeing there from year 6 boys. Milo PD, you get a commendation for your poster on staying safe in these uncertain times, and we particularly liked the really positive approach you took with that. And then finally, Dylan, you get a commendation for English and indeed history, and Charlie, you get a commendation for English. Fantastic effort from all of you. Very well done, and let's keep working hard.